In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to change auto-empty trash intervals in WordPress. In WordPress, when you delete a page, post, or any other type of content, it doesn't get immediately removed from the database. Instead, it's moved to trash, where it remains for a 30-day period of time before being permanently deleted. So you're going to learn how to change this time period in this video. For this functionality, all you need to do is hover over Plugins and click on Add New. Now, simply search for Change Empty Trash Time, and from the list of various plugins, this is the one we're looking for. So, simply click on Install Now, and you can see the plugin rating over here. Once installed, click on Activate, and now to configure the plugin, hover over Settings and click on General. On scrolling a little, you can find the settings to set the time to empty trash. You can simply mention the number of days here. You can use the value 0 if you want elements to get deleted directly. Once you've entered the number of days, simply click on the Save button. Now the time to empty trash has been set to 7 days. And this was all about how to change auto-empty trash intervals in WordPress. In case you're looking for more videos related to WordPress, then I'm linking a few of them in the description. You can click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.